Have you ever wondered how insects can become everyday bakery products? In this fascinating factory documentary, we take you inside a fully automated food production facility. Here, large white mealworms are being transformed into high protein, flour, and then into fresh bread, loaves and flaky croissants. This is not traditional baking. This is the future of sustainable food production. The process begins with automated vibrating screens. Next, they move to the washing zone. High-pressure water jets and specialized bubble cleaners thoroughly wash the mealworms, removing any remaining debris. After washing comes the most critical step, sterilization. The mealworms pass through a high-tech steam tunnel where intense heat eliminates all bacteria and pathogens. This rigorous process ensures the insect protein is 100% safe, hygienic, and ready for human consumption. The sterilized mealworms are now transferred into high-speed dehydrators. Controlled thermal processing removes all moisture, vastly extending the shelf life of the protein. Now completely dried and crispy, the mealworms travel along a conveyor belt straight into heavy-duty stainless steel hammer mills, spinning at extreme speeds. The industrial blades pulverize the insects instantly into an ultra-fine, nutrient-dense protein powder. Look at that perfectly smooth texture. Now, the baking science begins. In a precision blender, wheat flour, freshly milled mealworm protein powder, yeast, and water are combined in exact ratios. Giant spiral mixers knead the ingredients into a perfectly uniform dough. It is then transferred to automated fermentation chambers. Where controlled temperature and humidity allow the dough to rise beautifully. Once fermented, robotic cutters divide the dough into precise weights and shape them neatly into baking tins. The tins enter a massive, continuous tunnel oven. After a quick trip to the oven, which layers the dough with butter, folding it repeatedly to create hundreds of delicate layers. The machinery precisely cuts and rolls the dough into the iconic croissant shape. The layers puff up into incredibly crispy, flaky, golden croissants. Baking temperatures are strictly monitored by a computerized system to guarantee an even bake. As they emerge from the other side of the tunnel oven, behold the gorgeous golden brown crust and perfect rise. You would never guess the sustainable secret hidden inside. But it's not just bread. This high-protein flour is also used for premium pastries. Watch this automated lamination line.
As cooling continues, the internal temperature equalizes. Crust becomes crisp, while interior crumb structure settles evenly.
Once cooled, high-speed automated slicers slice the loaves with absolute precision. Robotic arms then take over, seamlessly packaging, boxing, and palletizing the products. These goods are now fully ready for distribution to supermarket shelves. Through the power of automation and technology, mealworms are transformed into a delicious, sustainable superfood for tomorrow.